The concept of eating fruits on a carnivore diet might seem contradictory at first glance. After all, the carnivore diet is typically characterized by its emphasis on animal products and the exclusion of plant-based foods. However, some proponents argue that incorporating certain fruits into a carnivorous eating plan can offer health benefits and enhance overall well-being. Before delving into the specifics of incorporating fruits into a carnivore diet, it's essential to understand the basic principles of this dietary approach. The carnivore diet, also known as the all-meat diet, primarily consists of animal-derived foods such as meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products. The premise behind this diet is that humans evolved as carnivores and that consuming animal products exclusively is optimal for health and performance. Proponents of the carnivore diet cite various reasons for its adoption, including weight loss, improved digestion, increased energy levels, and relief from autoimmune conditions. By eliminating plant-based foods, which some believe may contain anti-nutrients and inflammatory compounds, followers of the carnivore diet aim to optimize nutrient absorption and minimize digestive issues. However, despite the focus on animal foods, some individuals on the carnivore diet choose to include certain fruits in their meal plans. The rationale for this deviation stems from the potential nutritional benefits that fruits can provide. While fruits are typically associated with carbohydrates and sugars, which are restricted on the carnivore diet, they also offer essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. One of the primary reasons for incorporating fruits into a carnivore diet is their micronutrient content. Many fruits are rich in vitamins C, A, and K, as well as minerals like potassium and magnesium. These nutrients play crucial roles in various bodily functions, including immune function, bone health, and electrolyte balance. By including fruits in moderation, individuals on a carnivore diet can ensure they meet their micronutrient needs without relying solely on animal foods. Additionally, certain fruits contain beneficial compounds that may support overall health and well-being. For example, berries are renowned for their high antioxidant content, which can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Similarly, fruits such as avocados and olives provide healthy fats that contribute to satiety and may have cardiovascular benefits. Another reason some carnivore dieters choose to include fruits is for their fiber content. While fiber is generally associated with plant-based foods, some fruits, such as berries and avocado, contain soluble fiber, which can support digestive health and promote feelings of fullness. By incorporating small amounts of fiber-rich fruits into their diets, individuals on the carnivore diet may experience improved bowel regularity and enhanced gut microbiota diversity. It's essential to note that not all fruits are created equal, especially concerning their carbohydrate content. While berries are relatively low in sugars and carbohydrates compared to other fruits, varieties such as bananas, grapes, and mangoes are much higher in these macronutrients. Individuals following a carnivore diet who choose to include fruits should be mindful of their carbohydrate intake and opt for lower sugar options to avoid disrupting ketosis or blood sugar levels. Moreover, the timing and frequency of fruit consumption can also impact its compatibility with a carnivore diet. Some individuals may find that consuming fruits as part of their post-workout meal or in the evening is preferable, as this can help mitigate any potential negative effects on ketosis or blood sugar levels. Others may opt for intermittent fruit consumption, incorporating small amounts on occasion rather than making them a staple of their daily diet. Ultimately, the decision to include fruits on a carnivore diet is a personal one that should be based on individual health goals, preferences, and tolerances. While fruits can offer valuable nutrients and health benefits, they should be consumed in moderation and in accordance with the principles of a carnivore eating plan. By prioritizing nutrient-dense animal foods and strategically incorporating fruits as desired, individuals can tailor their carnivore diet to suit their unique needs while optimizing their overall health and well-being. Please subscribe and watch my other videos on unusual benefits of fasting on the carnivore diet. Thank you.